What's happening YouTube? I am Highway to Hill and this is my bike Yamaha R3. So today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the shift light indicator over here. So when I initially got the bike, I really didn't have a clue what this light does, because first of all I didn't get the owner's manual. The dealer from who I got my bike didn't have a owner's manual, so I had a fair idea. I knew it had something to do with the RPM. I thought it will start flashing once you hit the red line, but there's a bit more to it than that. You can program it. You can program when the light comes on. So there is a activation point, in point, and a out point. So you can mark that at a certain RPM, and then this light will come on, indicating that you have to shift. So let's see how you can do this. So your bike is at off right now, so press and hold the select button and then switch on the bike. Keep holding, yeah. So now you are in the edit mode. So this is my pattern right now. So the first thing that you want to adjust is how you want your light pattern. So now this is at flash mode. Now this is another mode. This is a slow flash, and then this one just stays on. So I'm gonna keep it at this one, the flashing mode, the fast flashing mode. So once this is done, I'm happy with this. I'm going to press select. Now the moment you press select, you saw that the needle moved over here. Now the range that you are provided with is from 7,000 rpm till 13,500 rpm. So you can set your in point and out point. So obviously your out point has to be greater than your in point. So you can move this in increments of 500 rpm from 7,000 to 12,000, and then from 12,000 to 13,500 it will move in increments of 200 rpm. So first thing you have to do is set the in point. So what I'm going to do is, so the red line is at 12.5, so I'm going to put my in point at 11.5. so that's where I want my light to start flashing. So that's done. I'm going to press select. Now I have to set the out point, so I'm going to set that at the end. I'm going to put it completely at the end, so at 13, sorry, so I'm going to put that at 13.5. so the in point is set at 11.5 and my out point is set at 13.5. so as long as I am in this rpm range, this light will keep on flashing, which means I'm the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want to hit the red line. I don't want to ride in those rpms. So press select. Now this is set. Now the final thing that you have to adjust is the brightness. So this indicates the lowest brightness, and then we keep moving forward, and 6, yeah, so 6 being the highest. So that's the last thing that you have to do, and then press select. So now you're all set. So that is how you can adjust the rpm shift light indicator, and I think this is pretty much the same on the R15 V3 as well, though you have a bigger screen, but the way you do it, I mean pressing the select button and turning on the key and then going through all those 1 2 3 steps, that is also pretty much the same on the R15 V3 as well. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, you stay safe. Ciao.